Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Reading aloud helps me in many ways. I learn how to say words the right way. I also learn to speak smoothly. Sometimes I record my voice and listen to it. Then I find what I need to improve. This small habit is helping me speak better English. I believe practice is the key. If you practice every day, you will speak well. The mirror helps me stay focused. When I look at myself, I feel like I am talking to someone. I can check my mouth movements and expressions. I also try to copy how native speakers speak. I repeat their words and match their style. This is fun and helpful. It makes my speaking sound more natural. You don't need a big plan to start. Just stand in front of a mirror for 5 minutes a day. Read short, easy sentences aloud. Use a children's storybook or printed page. Speak slowly and clearly. With time, your voice will become stronger and smoother. This method is simple, free, and very powerful. I truly believe it is the best way to learn to speak English. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence.